spent the last few days testing here, not just on the Nordschleife, but also on many other racetracks, and the new Panamera tells you just as much on every meter. Our aim was to increase the bandwidth of this vehicle significantly. This means further developing the comfortable long-distance saloon on the one hand, and on the other hand, it was all about sportiness. This is a sports car that must deliver the corresponding performance, which is why we are here at the Nürburgring today. This car's performance lives from the power of the engine, and we've got a substantially enhanced engine output. We added another 80 PS to the well-known 4-litre V8 engine to bring it to 630 PS, plus 50 Newton-meters on top over the entire engine rev band. At the same time, we optimized the chassis systems at key suspension components, as well as the entire system setup. To increase speed on the Nordschleife and improve lap times, you need to do a number of things to the chassis that push the limit still further. We developed new sports tyres for this car and completely reworked the chassis systems, especially in the area of maximum lateral dynamics. Notice on the very first meters that the car has been consistently developed furthermore towards the racetrack and maximum lateral dynamics. Well, it makes it pretty easy to go faster here on the Nordschleife. Occasionally you also drive against the clock, and I think the times need not shy comparison. We clocked up a sensational lap time, so my sincere thanks to the entire team of the Panamera. This was ultimately only possible thanks to a super team effort. The chassis and powertrain guys really did their homework, and this is the result. If it works here, it'll work everywhere.